What's up, guys? This is everything we sold Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday, and I think Wednesday. I've been out of town for a little while. Went to Wilkes Barre, Pennsylvania. Went to go thrifting there and found out we drove 6.5 hours. We had some other business too, but there's not many thrift stores there, so I didn't do very well. I'll do a thrift haul here in a little bit later. But anyway, this is everything we sold in, the past 5 days or so. We sold a Wes Bentley autograph photo. Can't remember where that is. I think it's here. Maybe not. Here it is. This is from Hunger Games. I think we paid $12.50 for it, and we sold it for $29.99. We sold a Walking Dead. Oh, I didn't get to display this very much. I showed you guys this a couple weeks ago, maybe even last week. It's cast signed by 8. I'm trying to remember. I think I paid $100 for this, and I sold it for $205. But it's signed by Andrew Lincoln. I think this is I can't remember who that is. I think it's the girl, the blonde hair girl maybe. This is, I think that's Michonne, Andrew Lincoln. I can't remember. That's Abraham, Norman Reedus. Anyway, $205. And we paid $100 for it. We sold the Rifleman. There it is. I bet it's that. Season 4, Volume 1. We picked this up at a flea market. We either paid $1 or $2 for it. And we sold it for $8.99. We sold a Bon Jovi t-shirt. I think it's right here. Oh. It's from the 90s. It's a pretty nice Bon Jovi t-shirt. We paid $1.99 for it. And we sold it for $39.99, I believe. Sold a Harry Potter. It's a Harry Potter 2 movie. Here we go. It's brand new, never been opened. I ended up paying about $2 for this, I believe. And I sold it for $13.99. We sold that In Living Color again. Which season was it? In Living Color. I'm gonna have to go back. In Living Color Season 4. We paid $4.99 for this. I remember buying this at the Salvation Army for $4.99. And we sold it for $64.99. That was a good one. You guys probably saw the t-shirt haul. Well, there's 2 totes in the bottom. Those are all the same t-shirt, just different sizes. I think one's large, one's medium. And these 3 totes here are all the same shirt. And some over there too. But we sold one of these. The bin right there, that is just filled with larges. That whole bin. And then this bin right here, it's filled with this small, medium, and extra large. Like, I ended up buying over 400 t-shirts. I think it ended up being about 450 t-shirts. These are from the 80s or 90s. It was a t-shirt shop that went out of business years and years and years ago. And it was put in somebody's garage. And the gentleman died. And the family donated the whole t-shirt business. So I ended up getting over 450 t-shirts. And I paid $150 for them. We sold one of these today. That was a medium for $23. And we've already sold one of the Nike ones. See, here's I said they've never been worn. They're made in USA, single stitch, really nice shirts. Sold a Kansas jersey. Actually, we sold this also. We sold this Champion Chris Carter jersey. We paid $1, probably $1.99 for it, maybe $2.99. We sold it for $29.99. Let's see if we can find this Kansas jersey. Might be over here. Okay, we also sold this Bengals. It's a blank jersey. We paid $1.99 for that, and we sold it for $29.99. I'll go ahead and take care of these while we're here. For some reason I sold a lot of jerseys. Must be because they're starting to play football again. Not football, but they got baseball and basketball coming up. I think this is the Wildcat jersey. It's number 35. We sold this for $36.99, and we paid $3.99 for this one. Sold an Ultimate Michael McDonald. We actually sold this Loverboy CD. Ended up getting this for like $1 in trade, and sold it for $12.99. Let's see if I can find this Michael McDonald one. Is this it? Nope. That would be too easy if that was it. It's right there. We ended up paying $1 for this at a flea market, and we sold it for $13.99. This doesn't happen very often. I thought it would more often, but we sold a male and a female, and we got $23.98 shipped. We have 50 cents a piece in his, and we bought 100 of them, and that's all we have left is what's in the drawer. We sold a Dale Earnhardt. That's Dale Jarrett. That's not going to work. Actually, you know what? I'm doing all this stuff out of order. I have so many orders right now. We sold this 2000 Harley Davidson shirt. We paid $1.99 for it. We sold it for $49.99. And we sold a Dale Earnhardt shirt, which should be in here. But you know how that goes sometimes. Sometimes they aren't where they're supposed to be, but this one is. We sold this Dale Earnhardt shirt. We paid $1.99 for it, and we sold it for $28.88. We sold this Philmont shirt. It's a campground. It's from the 80s, single stitch. It's like a Boy Scout campground type thing. And we bought this for $2, and we sold it for $26.99. That one took a while to sell though. Sold an Old Yeller. Old Yeller, where'd you go, Old Yeller? Let's see. I remember seeing it earlier. Come on, Old Yeller, where'd you go? There it is. It was sealed. We paid $1.50 for it at a thrift store, and we sold it for $13.99. We sold a SoCal Val. She's a wrestler from TNA. No, I don't think she's been put in here yet. Let me try to find her real quick. We sold this SoCal Val. We sold it for $13.99. I paid $4.99 for it. So I didn't make a whole lot of money once you pay shipping and fees. We sold another jersey. This one that was just here. I believe it's a Notre Dame champion jersey. I think it's this one right here. This champion. Yeah, there's the champion tag. It's number 1 Notre Dame. We paid $2.99 for this, and we sold it for $19.99. We sold to Andrew Divoff. This is when he was the genie on Wishmaster. I ended up paying $6.99 for this, and I sold it for $25.99. Sold an AD. Should be like right here. Is that DVD or Blu-ray? I hope it was the Blu-ray. Let me go back and check. I just wrote it down wrong. I sold this AD Blu-ray. I bought it for $1 at the Dollar Tree. I sold it for $16.99. Sold a Dire Straits CD. There's a little bit more room in here now, so I can actually see them a little bit better since I separated the new ones from the used ones. The only problem with this CD is I can't remember if it was new or used. I think it's this right here. Yep. Ended up having $1 in trade in this off a collection a guy traded into me, and we sold it for $9.99. We sold a Nick Cannon autograph photo. There it is. Had a certification from Leaf, and we ended up paying, I think, $12 for this. We sold it for like $20 just to get rid of it. Sold a WWE. Is this the only ones? Oh, here we go. It's number 10. WrestleMania number 10. It must be out of print. I paid $1 for this from a thrift or a pawn shop, and I sold it for $39.99. Okay, we sold Chris Duarte. Again, I don't know if it's new or used. I should start writing this down since I separated them. But we wouldn't want to make anything easy, now would we? That would be too easy. All right, I couldn't find it, but I think I saw it and I just didn't read what it was, because now I went back and I looked at the picture. But I think I passed it up and didn't even notice. There we go, it was just hard to see. Anyway, it's used. Chris Duarte Group. We sold this, we picked it up at a flea market for 50 cents. We sold it for $19.99. We sold a John Heder photo. I like John Heder, he's hilarious. In case you don't know who John Heder is, he is the guy that played Napoleon Dynamite and Blade of Glory right there. Blades of Glory. Anyway, I think I paid $6.99 for this, and I sold it for $16.99, I believe. With a gun for $14.99. We ended up paying $3.50 for it. Sold it to Christie. CD or DVD. It was used. We paid $1 for it at a flea market, and we sold it for $16.99.